Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello there, fighting game fans. In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 3 on Android. First, you will need to download a PlayStation 1 emulator from your device's App Store. There are several excellent options available, many of which are free. Before installing, make sure your Android device meets the minimum system requirements for the emulator to run smoothly. Once you have chosen one, simply install the application on your smartphone or tablet, just like any other app. This is the crucial first step to bringing the classic arcade experience to your mobile device. Now that you have your emulator, the next step is to get the Tekken 3 game file itself. It is important to acquire the game ROM file legally, for example, from a disk you already own. Once you have the ROM, you will need to transfer this file to your Android device's internal storage or an SD card. Many users find it helpful to create a specific folder, perhaps named PSX ROMs or games, within their device's storage. Placing the ROM in a designated, easy-to-find folder will make it simple for your emulator to locate and load the game later on. With the ROM on your device, it is time to configure your emulator. Open the emulator application and navigate through its menu to locate the Tekken 3 ROM file you just transferred. Before jumping into the fight, take a few moments to configure the on-screen controls. Most emulators allow you to customize button placement and size, which is essential for comfortable and optimal gameplay. Additionally, explore the video and audio settings. You might find options to enhance graphics or improve sound quality, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience on your Android device. You are now ready to play. Select the Tekken 3 ROM within your emulator, and the game should start. Get ready to relive those classic battles and iconic characters. For an even more authentic and comfortable experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller to your Android device. Many emulators offer excellent support for external gamepads, transforming your phone into a portable console. Do not forget to explore advanced emulator features like save states, which allow you to save your progress at any point, and fast-forward options, perfect for speeding through cutscenes or loading screens. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.